Well, welcome back to another episode of Barnstorming Garage, another unboxing. We've got an unboxing. We're standing here by our trusty Wildfire lift. We love this lift. It's cool. It actually has caster wheels. You can roll it around. One person can roll it all around. That's why it's in this position now. It's going to be eventually moving and living across the barn. But it's been a really, really good one. We admire the company for the ingenuity that they created, how safe this is, but also one of the big things for me is it's a father and son that run the company. We had the privilege at the New England, what was it, 900? Is that what they called it? The New England 900? We had the privilege of meeting them in person after we'd bought this, and I actually had fun with them. I went up to him, I said, you know, I made a big mistake. He said, what's that? I said, I bought a Wildfire lift. But I didn't plan on buying a dually that's 50 million feet long before I did it. So this is their 9,000 pound lift. They have a 12,000 pound lift, which is, I think it's 12 or 14 inches longer than this one. And now they even have another one that has tracks wide enough to hold a dually. So if you're interested in buying a lift and you live in Maine, we'll sell this to you because we want to buy the next size up. But in the meantime, we're going to keep using this one. This one's been awesome. But that's not what we're talking about. We're just talking about that we love Wildfire lifts. Mickey, what are we doing today? What's our unboxing?
It's Wildfire's LED lights, light strips. They just kind of like run down there, so you don't have to cram a light up in the car or something.
Right.
And then eventually probably break it.
These are hot off the press. They have been working on it for a little bit over a year. They've tried different vendors. They've done lots of different things, and they finally got the right sauce, the right ingredients to make it just perfect. It magnetizes on. I'm guessing that you're going to be able to use them on different lifts other than just Wildfire. They're very reasonably priced. They've only been out now, I think, 40 days or something like that, and we just got ours. So it's cool. We ordered them before they were even finished with production. So without further ado, let's crack open this box.
Okay. Well, does that mean that this is my box now?
Yeah, you can have the box when you're done with it.
No, the LEDs inside of it. I want them.
You can use the LEDs whenever you like.
Really?
Really.
Is that it? I think. Wait. I can't find the opening. Oh.
Mickey can rebuild a motor, but he can't open a box.
Hey, it's not nice. I was just trying to figure out where this.
They put a whole bunch of tape on it so you can't get to it. It's like Christmas in November.
Well, yeah, because you put I don't know, 10 layers of wrapping paper and a whole bunch of art tape on top of one of my Christmas presents.
Yeah,
oh, I missed a spot.
You better cut some more tape.
I missed.
Well, they box it well.
Really well. A little too much well.
Okay.
Well, come on. Oh. Because the tape's over this. It's over this part of the slab.
Just
I can't.
cut it open, man.
I'm trying to.
Pull. Harder.
It's paper.
You know, you have a box knife. You can cut the box.
I don't need it anymore because I just did it. Well, after 5 million years, we got it open.
Let's see what's in there. Comes in.
Another
There's
box.
your box. You wanted the box. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, that can go that way. And then we can find the opening of it. Or what I'd actually do. And then I can just pry it open.
Okay, what do we get in here? Got another box within the box.
Here, let's see what these are first. So, where'd it go?
The lights.
Oh, it's right here. You have cords.
Oh, that's your on-off
Oh,
switch?
look at that. It attaches. It's sticky.
3M Stick'em tape. That's cool.
Sometimes they use these for Lego sets. This exact type of plastic. It's just. The heck is happening?
Power's flickering.
Soon the power's just gonna go out.
Yeah.
Cause it's.
And then we'll be doing an unboxing in the dark.
Well,
so what are those? Oh, clips.
Yep,
I bet you that's
yeah.
for these.
Yeah.
Because I think those are magnetic.
This is probably the LEDs themselves. Probably. It says no water, so I guess that would make sense.
No water? I
Yeah.
thought they were waterproof.
So yeah, there we got the first roll of LEDs. They come in rolls, I guess. And here's another one. Oh, you got a piece of paper. Here, you can have the piece of paper, and I'll take the boxes. And you can have all the plastic, and I'll take all the cardboard.
That's the instructions.
Mm-hmm. And more LEDs.
Hey, Wildfirelifts, you know what you need to do?
Huh?
We need to have some stickers inside here so we can put Wildfirelifts on our toolboxes.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Okay, now open
Because
this.
we like stickers on our toolboxes.
We do. Okay, this is to plug it into the wall thing. Oh my gosh, why is that so big?
Because it converts
Stick.
it from AC to DC.
Okay.
Where's the other part of it? Oh, it's here.
It's stick.
All right, it's cool.
Okay,
There's the power
well, that's
cord.
that. Let's figure out, I think we should do this first. Guess the
Why don't you do
on-off
this
switch.
first?
Oh.
Look, it's even got colors and it has letters. A, B, C, D, E, G, K,
Shut up.
L, M, N, O.
Wait. So the strips go down to
Instructions.
here.
Position and align the light strip using the magnetics on the magneticized of the... And
Get this
where's our power cord going to be?
Over there.
Over there. So you're probably going to need the black part to be over there. So go walking over there. Don't break the thing, man.
I'm trying to open it.
That's that. No, it's already open.
Oh. It
Go
is
put it
open.
down over there.
Yeah.
So you can see that these are actually encased in here. Really nice. So there's a magnet.
Yeah.
There's
Magnet.
You see another magnet.
More magnets.
Okay, cool. So this will go up there. I would put it right here, Mickey. Don't put it in there because that's going to catch stuff.
Yeah, I know.
Go up there.
So.
Yep, I think that's what we want to do. Go for it.
There's another one. Oh wait, no, I know. They go on the edge like this.
No, because we're going to run them over if we do that. Put them down next to the... Yes.
Yeah, now I can go like this. Oh, well. It did it itself. But I need that in a certain spot. Yeah. Why don't you just take this thing off the rails? Because it just pops up really easy.
It's heavy. I'm not strong enough to do that.
I can do it. Probably. And then there's the end of the light bar. And now I gotta do another one all over again. This is actually pretty annoying.
No, just leave it there.
Why not just put it over there?
I don't, because it's on its where it belongs.
It's annoying though. This is microphone just gone crazy.
So yeah, they tested out different magnets, different strengths of magnets. They did lots of stuff. I mean, this is a lot of R&D right here happening. My real question is, with the amount of brake clean I spray on my cars, am I going to destroy these with brake clean? They feel like a pretty solid silicone. I have a feeling they're going to be all right.
Hang on, let me get over there.
You get over there.
Boop.
That's cool.
Now we have LEDs in there.
But they aren't lit up.
No.
So
give me
this
all
needs to
these.
plug in the wall.
Yeah, I know.
This needs to plug into that's plugged into the wall.
Bye.
No, here, take this with you. You need that one. There you go.
Give me. I think I told you to give me the end, not drop it like instantly. Okay, so first of all, extendo. Oh, it's short.
Can I get past my table? I don't know.
There's one.
I can't.
You're moving it.
Watch out, I'm making
You're
a
gonna
mess.
break everything.
Yep. I'm good at something.
Oh, there's.
Oh, that's cool looking. Look at that thing. Boom!
Wait, I forgot to add the switch.
Yeah, it's right here.
That thing.
I'm getting there. I'm untying and twisting it. There you go.
Well,
you gotta separate it. So that
Oh.
goes into there.
This goes in where? Where do you want me to
In
put
your hand. Plug it in.
it?
Yep.
No, like, where do you want this?
I don't know yet. We need to plug it in.
I
Is
think
that the short one? That's the short one.
That's a
This is
short
the
one.
long one.
Oh,
So it's
easy.
T's. So there's a short end and then a long end.
And then go smack, and then you can go like this.
Boom. Look at that. That's awesome. So cool.
Here, where do you want this? Like, do you want? Wait, what if we just put it like under here?
Then they get squished when we go to the ground.
No,
what you
because
want?
it doesn't go all the way to. Well, I guess. Wait, what if we just put it on the inside?
How about if we don't stick it anywhere? How about if we just use hooks and hold it so that we can
It's
decide where
supposed to
we're
be
going to put it
sticky.
forever?
You put it there.
Yeah, we can, but do it with this. So you put this here and you put this here and then you click that in between them.
Oh, okay. Here, give me one. Is one, but which way does it go? It goes like
Up
this.
like that. Well, no, hold on, wait.
What?
Do this first. Let go of this one.
Huh.
So we want it here so you know where one hook is going to go, right?
It's gonna go.
Well, mark it with your finger. There you go. Now move this and you put that where you want. Yep,
Yeah.
good. And now we'll hook this in there and then figure out where you want the other hook to go. We just broke the hook.
You
Is it
did?
Click? Is it click? Is it a click hook? Oh, it is a click hook maybe. No, it's not a click hook. It's a...
Random holding it in. Oh. Well, it's gotta
What
go.
do we do to it?
You gotta go sideways now.
You got to go sideways.
Just go like. Yeah. I don't.
Does it go over top? Oh, it goes over top. That's how it is. So it clicks
Turn off the lights.
up and over and snaps on.
So.
And then put that
this
on
one's
there.
diagonal. This one's gotta go side.
Okay.
Yeah, put it. Yeah, I'm gonna still put it like that, like straight up.
And then it should be able to clip it on. Get all the wires inside it.
Yeah, oh, I see. It goes up, over and
It
top.
goes up
Okay.
and over and clicks on there. There you
Now
go.
it's this is in there.
All right, cool.
And
Yeah,
then
so I'd say,
here, let's put this. Wait, how about we just run these underneath?
well, I want to put one clip right here.
Okay.
Just put one right here. And then we'll leave this long dangly.
I got one.
Oh, you got one. Just put it right there.
You know.
Nope, put it right up.
Oh, it's stuck now.
I wanted it to be right side up.
But it works.
Okay.
I mean, it works.
Okay, so then we'll let this dangle until we know for sure. Oh,
What?
you went up and over. We want to be underneath.
Well, does it
Same
go
thing with that
like-
one. We need to be underneath. That's all right. We can unplug it.
That answer your question?
Yeah.
Oh, well. Oh, okay.
Here you go. Come plug this thing back in.
And then this goes in here, and then this goes like that.
Yeah, cool. So we'll let these dangle for now because we don't know if It's forever going to be there, but boom. All right, you know
Why
what
don't
we
we
got to
just
do
go like-
now, right?
Let's go like that. How about
We
that?
have to test this for real.
Why? Do
I got to look at the exhaust in the Challenger anyway. So let's bring the Challenger on here, and then we'll see what the underside of the car looks like. How about that? I said up, up, up she goes. Fun car to drive. See the differentials today. There's the transmission today. I've never seen a manual transmission that takes automatic transmission fluid.
That good?
But we did the no. I got to bend over still. We did the Royal Purple Synchro Max. That's good. All right, here I'm gonna walk underneath here. I'm gonna look at before. And then we're gonna turn around and Mickey's gonna turn the lights on. Boom! Holy smokes. Look, see? I told you it was like murder under here. See all that?
Well,
Look at this. This is the stupidest thing. This isn't part of the review. That's the drain plug on top of the cross member. So fluid. Do you see the evidence? Yeah. Anyway, this is like perfect light. We can see everything.
Yeah.
That's cool. So cool. So worth it. What do you think, Mickey?
Yes.
I don't need a shop light under here. You don't need a shop light under here anymore?
No.
Cool.
So while using these, while doing the exhaust, we found out that the light strips being like 90 degrees, kind of like pointing this way, they were like blinding us a little bit. So we put them on this like edges here for like a 45-degree angle, and the lighting's better, and it doesn't blind us anymore.
Nope. I can see. So that was a little adjustment that we found. Obviously you can do it your own way, but these are amazing. Amazing.
Wonderful.
Love them. That's awesome. Okay. Well,
You know what you could have done?
what do you think? What's your opinion?
Here, from a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it a 10.
Give it a 10
Or an 11.
or an 11. A 10 or an 11. Okay, that's it. 10 or 11. Wildfire lift. Look, Mickey even did the little waves.
You sure? You straight now?
Anyway, that's it. That's our unboxing for you today. We sure appreciate you. Like, subscribe. What are we supposed to say? What do we tell everyone?
Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
And come play Mario Kart with us.
Okay, bye.